Hi everyone, it's Noelle Schwegel. So this is my Disney World quiz created on Google Forms. To take the quiz, users need to first enter their email address. I included a picture of all 4 Disney parks to jog users' memories at the start. There are 2 multiple choice questions as seen during the first half of the quiz and 2 true and false. So once you make your selection, you just hit submit, and then it would look like this. You go ahead and click view scores. So for this example, I chose all incorrect answers so that you could see the feedback provided. And there is a little feedback blurb down here as well as the correct answer. In this example, you can see that when you do get the answer correct, it still provides feedback, but just in a correct form, and it also turns the text to green to let you know that it was correct. So that is my Walt Disney World quiz.